So figure out where's your data, analyze it, put together a strategy, what is the scope of it and what is the cost of it going to be so that you can make it budgetable, predictable, because you've got to invest in the data. Because if you've invested a lot of money, I was on the phone with a firm yesterday and they're like, we've invested all this money in this system. You want me to go back to the managing partner now and say, we need another, several $1,000s to clean the data? And I said, well, you could just let him look at how bad it is when he gets into it. And you're going to have wasted your entire CRM investment. And it just, that's sort of eye-opening. But start now. If you're moving data, if you're getting a new system, if you're moving systems, you need to prepare your data at least a few months. A big firm, maybe 3 to 6 months in advance of the project, because it can take that long. And that's before you bring in the new data from the attorneys.